A new update just dropped for Hermes agents, and it basically turns it from a chatbot into an actual employee. Before this, you'd give it a task and you'd sit there watching it think, waiting for an answer. Now, you give it a job, it walks away, and it texts you when it's done while you keep working on something else entirely. That one change alone is a bigger deal than it sounds. So let me walk you through everything this update actually does. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's the big one first. Your agent can now run in the background. You give it a task, and instead of sitting there waiting for it to finish, it goes off and does the work while you move on to something else. Before this update, you'd ask it to do something and you'd be stuck watching it think the whole time, basically babysitting it until it gave you an answer. Now, you type the request, it tells you it's on it, and the second it's finished, the answer just shows up in your chat no matter what you've moved on to doing in the meantime. So you could tell it to go research the top tools your customers keep asking about, and while it's digging through all of that, you're already writing your next email or hopping on a call. You're not blocked waiting on it anymore, and you're not losing your whole afternoon to one task. And here's the part that really changes things. You can run more than one of these at once. So instead of one agent doing one job, you've got several little workers running different tasks at the same time in the background while you focus on the one thing only you can actually do. That's the real shift here. You're not doing one thing at a time anymore. You're managing a handful of tasks running in parallel without lifting a finger on most of them. Now, here's the second big change, and this one genuinely surprised me. Hermes can talk to you through regular text messages now, the same iMessage app already sitting on your phone right now. Before this update, getting an AI agent hooked up to text messages was a real technical headache, the kind of setup most people would take one look at and just give up on. Now, it's basically one command. It sends a code to your phone, you type it in, and from that point on, your agent can text you like it's an actual person on your team. So picture this. You're out grabbing lunch, you text your agent to remind you to follow up with a few leads from the day before and draft the messages for you. And by the time you're back at your desk, it's already done and sitting there waiting for you to review. That's the kind of thing that used to need an actual assistant on payroll, and now it's a text message away. Here's something a lot of people are going to miss in this update. Hermes can now edit images you already have, not just create brand new ones from scratch. Before, you could ask it to generate a picture out of nothing. Now you can hand it an existing image and just tell it what to change. Make a logo a different color, remove the background from a photo, clean up a rough sketch into something polished, one sentence and it's done. So say you've got a banner for your business and you want to test a different color on it, you don't need to open up some complicated design software, you just describe the change and it makes it. And this next part is honestly the biggest shift in my opinion out of this entire update. They added a way to set up automated tasks without touching any code at all. Setting up automations used to mean learning weird syntax and symbols and rules that made most normal people give up before they even got started. It just wasn't built for the average person. Now you just describe what you want in plain English. The agent asks you a few simple questions back, you answer them like you're texting a friend, and it's already set up and running. So you could say you want a daily briefing on a certain topic sent to you every single morning at a specific time. It asks a couple of quick questions to nail down exactly what you want, and from then on, it just shows up in your inbox automatically every day without you ever touching it again. No code, no symbols, no technical setup of any kind, just a short back and forth conversation and you're done. A couple more upgrades worth knowing about. The desktop version got a feature where you can actually watch your background agents working in real time in their own little window so you can peek in and see exactly what it's doing while it does. And the memory got a real upgrade too. The agent now holds on to what it learns about you and your business more reliably, so the longer you use it, the more it actually understands how you like things done, the details of your business, your style, all of it building up over time instead of starting from zero every single session. And the last piece is for anyone working with other people, not just solo operators. There is now a way to run this across a whole team, not just one person on their own laptop. Someone sets the rules and the important settings, the things you don't want anyone accidentally messing up, and everyone else on the team can use it within those boundaries without being able to break anything important. So this isn't just a solo tool anymore, it's something that can actually scale across an entire group of people working together on the same business, all pulling from the same setup instead of everyone figuring it out separately. So zoom out for a second because I think this is the part most people are going to miss while they're scrolling past this update. A year ago, an AI agent was something you typed a message to and it typed something back. That was the whole interaction, start to finish, a fancy chat box, and nothing more. Now, look at where it actually is. It works in the background while you do other things. It texts you on your own phone, it edits your images on command, it remembers details about your business over time. It can run automations just by answering a few simple questions, and it scales across a whole team of people. That's not a chatbot anymore, that's a worker. One that doesn't sleep, doesn't need a day off, doesn't get tired halfway through a task, and keeps getting more capable every few months without you having to do anything to make that happen. Here's my honest take on all of this. I get it. It feels like something changes every couple of weeks in AI right now, and that gets genuinely exhausting to keep up with if you're trying to track every single update. But this specific shift, agents running in the background while you keep working on something else entirely, that's a real change in how much one person can actually get done in a single day. You stop doing one thing at a time and sitting there waiting around for it to finish before you start the next thing. You've got work happening quietly in the background while you handle the parts that actually need you specifically. And the people who take the time to set this up now today, while most people are still ignoring it, are going to have a real head start. Not because of hype, not because it's trendy, but because they'll genuinely be getting more done in a single day while everyone else is still typing one request at a time and sitting there waiting on it to finish before they move on. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.